What's going on, everyone? I'm Dark Skye, and today we are playing Belts of Iron, an open world factory automation survival builder. If you enjoy story-driven survival runs like this, please consider leaving a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Today we're shifting into fluid systems. We'll start working with water, oil, petroleum, and lubricants, building out proper pipe networks and stabilizing production so these resources can feed the next phase of progression. This is a major step toward unlocking trains and pushing closer to late game systems. If we can manage pressure, refine output, and keep everything flowing efficiently, the factory moves one step closer to full-scale industrial expansion. So I was just looking at this. I was noticing that my iron and my copper seems to be lacking a little bit. I may need to push that out. Let's see what it takes to make for it to what it's pumping out, and then I can determine if I need to set up another line or not. Okay, so here is where our copper is, and what is this machine? What is it pumping out? It looks like it's doing 60 per minute. Furnaces, they are doing about 60 per minute, or no, they do 30 per minute. So that means if they're doing 30, we're gonna need to be able to run 2. Although I think that the conveyor belts, they run 120 per minute, so that would work. So I just need to get another iron and coming out to this point. Let's see here. Let's look for some more copper. There's a copper deposit over there that looks like it's pretty close, about 900 or so. Yeah, 964. I'm thinking that's going to be our winner over there. Winner, chicken dinner. So let's see if we can't run over there and go and get that. And then we'll route that over here, and then we'll merge it into this line here. And then ultimately, we should be able to get our 120. This would be one of those good times for us to be able to have the trains so that we could expedite these resources from from a distance like this and bring it closer to us. So I'm seeing irons right there. That might be pretty handy, but I think our copper is on the other side of this ravine. Let's double check that. Yeah, so it's on the other side over there. Now, if you double space the space bar once to jump and then hit it again, we'll end up getting our little jet rocket thing that'll like push us across. Just have to be careful not to go too high, because you can get damaged from going too high. We should have our copper. There it is right there in the distance. Really back here, back in this new biome. So this is kind of neat, new biome here. I don't know what this is, kind of a forestry area. All right, so we got copper. Oh, we got 2 coppers over here. Wow, okay. That's nice. Well, if we need another one, we'll know where to get it. So we're going to take this, and then I guess what we want to do is to route some belts. Oh, I do have more belts up here. Good. So I am going to need a lot of belts to get that back to the all the way back there to the copper, because that's a long ways to go. All right, so we got it back here. Now let's see if we can't make a merger. And then I think I just want to put this on a platform just so I have something to set it on that's nice and flat. And let's get rid of this. And then we want to put the splitter or the merger. We want to put the merger right here. Now we just have to connect this one to here. And then connect this one to here. Okay, that's good. So that'll get that copper up to there, and then it'll take it back to the where it needs to go. We might need to even do that with iron, because iron looks like it's really slacking as well. But let's see if we can't run a line back to this. See if I put that there and I get rid of this, then I can connect this to here, and I'll connect this down this way. Put that right there in case I want to go the other way as well and to get more resources. But there we go. Now we got the copper is pumping out here, so we should be good to go. So let's run back now and we'll get the maybe I'll get that iron. Let's see, I got another electric drill here. I'll just make this electric drill. We'll put this down on the iron, and we can double up that iron a little bit. Okay, where was that iron? There was iron nearby here that I know that I passed by at one point. I must have just passed by it again and not realizing that I just passed it. Okay, so here's the iron right here. So I'm gonna put this down right here. And then let's see, let's run the some of this electricity here. So we'll do 6 there. Oh, we're gonna need a few more telephone poles, maybe right there, and then that'll get that guy started. And then let's run the belts. So I want to run the belts over here. Now I'll just run it underneath here, and then we'll connect it to the other side. Then we have this almost down to the iron here, and then we'll connect this to the iron with another merge line, and hopefully we can get enough iron coming down. So let me see here. We want to put down a kind of platform here to put this on, and then let's get rid of this, and I want to put in a merge line. All right, and then we're gonna take this, put that in there, and that's gonna go into there. And then this one here, this line should come down here and plug into there. There we go. So now that should get the keep the line more full and more active as it gets down there, and then we should be able to process all that pretty quickly. Now that we got that, let's go see if we can start setting up the liquids. Get the liquids set up. So we have an extractor already for our crude oil. And then we're gonna put it onto a refinery, and I think what comes out of the refinery, I think, is lubricant and petroleum. And I was wondering whether or not we could use the petroleum to fuel some of our machines instead of using coal. And this one seems to be not coming in too fast. So like this one here, it's like it's not really coming in as quickly as I'd like. Let's put a platform right there, and then if I put in a merger, put that in there, and then let's see if we can't get rid of that, and then we'll get rid of this and get rid of that, and instead we'll put in a belt here. Doesn't like that spot there, does it? Let's do that there, and then bring it in right there. There we go. And then have this one come in right here. And then they both come up and go in there. There we go. That's looking a little bit better. We can get those two lines together. And then we should be able to keep the this moving. I mean, I can see that it has all the bars all set up right there, but over here, not so much. A little bit on the short side. There's not a lot of steel plate going to where it needs to go. And that's iron right there is going to be fixed here in a little bit. So that means I should start seeing a lot more iron plate coming through. And then we have all this coming in right now. And so now we're going to get a lot more bars and plate coming through here as well. So that'll be nice. Okay, let's come over here, and I want to set up this refinery. Let's see. This is a monstrosity. All right, so I'm thinking let's put this, like, turn this here. I'll put this guy right here. It looks like it has like multiple connections. Plus he also has this connection down here. So I can use solid fuel. Oh, okay. I can bring in bricks. This is a way for me to bring in the slag and the water, and I can make bricks going through this. I can make plastics. If I get iron gears and the lubricant. Wonder where you get the lubricant. You get iron gear there. Oh, I see. Okay, we send in the crude oil cracking, and then it gets petroleum and lubricant. And then at that point there, we would send the lubricant to different directions. So we get the petroleum to make the plastics. We can make crude oil to make solid fuel. So let me see here. I want to do is let's set up another one of these bad boys, and I want to put down right here. Let's just stick this right there, and then we're gonna stick that up there, and let's see about getting some of this oil here. So I want to change this recipe to crude oil cracking, and I'm not sure how it comes out the other side, but let's see here. I want to set up like. So these are supposed to be liquid things. Oh yeah, okay. I see the little circle there. It's really hard to see. It's on both sides. So I want to turn this like this way. And let's see. Let's put one right here. And then we'll put the other one right next to it. And then I want to get some of the piping here. And we'll put the piping, I guess, for here, because I don't know which one's which. So I'm going to guess it. We'll put that there, and we'll put that there in hopes that they can kind of figure out which way we need to go there. Now we're going to come down here. We're going to connect this guy here. Huh, that's cool. It doesn't really line up very well, does it? I mean, on that last circle, you would think that since these are all kind of supposed to be circles, that it would line up right, but it doesn't really line right up at the top there. It's a little off. So I'm guessing I want to put it in right here. And how do you tell? I mean, it's all black, so you just have to guess that it's coming through. I have to put a pump on it or anything like that to get it to pump up a hill or whatnot. Oh, I see it, the blue liquid right there. Okay, that's cool. But I don't see that anywhere else. It says flow rate is 0 per minute, percentage full is 0%. Oh, you know what? I forgot. I have to power this thing. That's right. So let's get the power out to here. There we go. All right. Now we should start seeing it. I see like weird stuff happening on these. Yeah, you can kind of see like there's like weird stone image going up and down on that. Let's see, what's it saying? Oh, it's saying 100% full. Nice. Okay, well, it is definitely flowing. Oh, look at that. We got some different liquids there. So I guess that's the petroleum there. Oh, I see another one in there. Oh, there it is. Okay, there's the lubricant, but it hasn't really shown up inside the barrel yet. I don't see the green. I just see the purple on that one, which that's the petroleum there. Well, that's pretty cool. Let's see what we have for our technology here. Since we got a lot of points now to spend, we can do steam turbine. We can do advanced automation, which is going to get us a fabricator and a logic circuit. And we can do railways. I'm thinking railways. I mean, they're all about the same price, but yeah, let's do railways and get that one knocked out. And then this one here is for us to get the cargo wagon, the cargo loader, and a cargo unloader. Well, let's give that a whirl. This one is almost to there. We almost got that. We almost got that one too. I wonder what the steam turbine does. Does that mean that that creates electricity? Because that would be so sweet. That would be so sweet. Oh, look at that. Now I'm seeing the green. Okay, cool. So I think what I want to do now is I want to get myself another one of these oil refineries. So I'm going to need more steel, more concrete. All right. And then I need to make myself another oil refinery. Let's make two of them. Let's make two. And then I'm going to expand this the base out a little bit here. Okay, so now that we got that, let's see here. I want to let's put this guy down here, and we want to stick him like right here, I think, kind of on the edge. And then I want to do 4, and I'm going to move this petroleum into here, and I want to change this to plastics. Let's do plastics. And then I want to have that go into a storage bin. Ooh, there we go. Plastics. Nice. Okay. So we got plastics coming out now. We got the petroleum. We have lubricant. We got all kinds of fun stuff. Now, what is the other thing I can make with this? I can do that. I can do the lubricant gears. I do need those gears. So I'm going to need lubricant, and then I'm going to need some iron gears. Yeah, let's put that there. And then we want to take the get a couple pipes here. Lift that up a little bit because I'm going to have to bring the belt underneath to get the gears to where I want it to go. All right, and then let's run over here. We'll grab the gears. We got gears right here. There we go. And then let's take this one over here on the other side. All right, well, we'll have to do it that way. I was trying to keep it all nice and straight and angles and all that, but it just wasn't working right. All right, so now this one here is going to make those lubricant gears, which is good because we need those. And then I want to make another storage unit up here. And 3, put that there. All right, there we go. Oh, look at that. Lubricant gears. Nice. Okay, cool. So we got that. Now, what is it we have to do to make trains? We got lubricant gears. We need a storage container to make a cargo wagon. A locomotive needs a combustion generator. That shouldn't be too hard. Just need a stone furnace, and stone furnace right there. Make the combustion generator. And then we just need some lubricant gears. There we go. And we got ourselves a locomotive. Nice. So we got some train going on here now. Now, what we need to do also is we need to make some tracks. So let's get some tracks going here. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, so the track is going this way. Can we just make this track just keep bending forever and ever? Oh, this is awesome. Oh, and then you can make it turn. Okay, all right. Let's make it turn. We turn it again? Oh, we can. Okay. Oh, that's tight right there. Oh my gosh, yes. I can just make this to go on like a swirl pattern. Okay, let's see here. Let's get rid of this first. And let's try this again. I'm just going to make a little short one. I didn't realize that you could just keep going around and around in circles, and that the track, you could use one track and it would just go on and on and on. I thought there was a spot that would stop, but apparently that is not the case. So let me see here. So we want to change the track this way, and let's go this. Yeah, how far can we turn this? It looks like I could almost bring it back. Is it connected? I don't know. It doesn't look like it's connected because it looks like that when the track comes back, it's underneath the platform. Let me try. Let's do that again. Let's do 8, and then I want to do this here, and let's bring that across right here. Why does it not want to come back up on top? I mean, that's where it originally started. Can't really bend it much further coming in. Let me see. Maybe I need to bring this in here. Now I got a full roundabout. And then, I don't know, maybe I can have it go. Let's see. There we go. Go that way. And then I could probably have it go this direction too, and just have that go out to Never Never Land. Now, I wonder, it doesn't allow you to like put it down and then look up and down to be able to make the track go up and down. Okay, so I got the locomotive here. Let's put the locomotive down and see what that looks like. Oh, look at that. That thing's kind of cool. Overlapping. Okay, and then driving mode. You can have disabled or automatic. You can add a station. You can call it something. Can I just drive it? So I wonder how I can just drive it. We'll call it choo-choo. But I don't know. I don't understand how you can get it to move. Trains are very experimental. Please report bugs and issues. You cannot manually drive them yet. Oh, I wanted to manually drive them. Okay, can we do it automatic then? But at least we got trains. I mean, that's kind of neat. I don't know how we go about this. Is there a way to make a station? So we got the cars, we got the cargo loaders, the unload. Oh, there's the train station. Okay, let's make one of those. I need more steel and more concrete to make one more. We're gonna obviously need 2 of them to be able to go back and forth. Okay, let's take this guy out here, and I don't know, let's connect this. We'll go out a little ways here. I don't know. It's weird that you can't make it go, the track go up and down, but you know what it is. It is what it is. It's definitely very experimental. Is it still going? Oh yeah, dang. So we can take this track forever and ever and ever. So I don't know, maybe right there, and then I'll take this and okay, then we go like that. We're gonna turn this track around. Guess I want to bring it out to like right here. That's about the halfway point. And then we want to bring this in. See, we can go full circle with it, but we don't want to go full circle. See, mouse wheel curve, left shift, mouse wheel axis grade 0.5. So do I do a shift and up? Oh, I see. Okay, let's try that again. Why does it automatically go out that far? Maybe what I need to do is to take this off here. Let's do this one, undo that, and then we'll re-put this one back on. And I'll just remember to up the grade a little bit. Just need it to go over a little bit, just a tidbit. I mean, do that there, it's like too much. Just hard to get that just right. All right, so I don't know, maybe do the shift and come down. That should be almost pretty spot on right there. I mean, that's about as close as I can get it, really. But it's a bummer that it's like so high up. I guess what we can do is you can do like, there's a way to do a grade, and then you can bring the train down and have it come down to a lower level. There we go. We had to fly up to here to get up here, but at least we got up here, I guess. And then we got this station here. I don't know how this station is supposed to connect to this. So like this, I guess. So it has to touch the railing, I guess. Huh? Okay. All right, we'll call this station 1. Well, actually, we'll call this station 2. There we go. All right, let's do that. I mean, the tracks are kind of goofy, but I mean, it works kind of. Oh, that's cool. It tells me like where my train is. Choo Choo is 160 meters away. And then I guess I want to put what the other train station over here. It's weird that it has the float. I can't put it onto the foundation. Okay, let's see here. Now I got these ones here. I can add station, tell it to go station 1, and then go to station 2. Fire. Okay, there he goes. So the train is off. Don't hit my head. I hit my head. Wait for me, Mr. Train. I can't get on this. Can't get on my train. Oh, the train's going too fast now. They need to make it so that there's like a little opening on the back of the train so you can get on that. And then what is it going to go back to station 1? Well, it's pretty cool that we got a train at least. It just I haven't really figured out how it works. The way that the tracks are all connected makes it a little difficult, and you can't manually drive them, so that makes it difficult as well. But definitely super fun. Probably just want to look into this a little bit more, and we do have still some more stuff that we need to work on here. Get down to the industrial data pack, and then we're down here to more coming. But I'd like to see about this turbine there, and then also with two more of these electric data packs, and we should have the advanced automation, which is going to get us the fabricator and then our logic circuit. So that'll be pretty neat to get those all kind of knocked out, see what they do, and then just go from there. But definitely a super amount of fun to do, all kinds of new stuff coming out, and I'm really looking forward to all the new updates. But we'll definitely have to do more on the next episode. I want to thank everybody for coming out and joining me. It's been super fun. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that like if you've been enjoying the video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you on our next video. You take care now, and bye-bye.